WordPress website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Led and today I'm gonna show you how to create your own website with WordPress.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, of course, you need to create an account or log into your account on WordPress.com, and when you're done, you will be redirected to this page, create a site automatically, where you need to choose your domain. Find and claim one or more domain names. You can find a domain here, or you can use a domain you own if you're owning one. So, for example, I'm gonna choose, for example, example domain for video.com. So as you can see, you can choose this exact domain, but you'll need to pay something about $10 per year. I don't really remember, something about this. Or you can use free domain with WordPress.com inside of your domain. So if you are making something about business, if you are making business website, I recommend you to, of course, choose the paid plans and upgrade your account, and having such features like a domain. But if you are making a website just for fun, or you're making the website, for example, for your homework, or you're making a website for your wedding or another stuff, you can choose free domain. Just like me, I'm making videos, so I don't really need this website, so I'm gonna choose free domain, example domain for video.wordpress.com, and continue. So next, we need to tell what would we like to accomplish with this website, what are my goals, for example, or your goals. For example, you wanted to sell online, so basically you need to need to choose this one, sell online. Or maybe you want to publish and write something blog, you can choose this one. Or maybe you want to sell online and have a blog, and you can choose both. So just for an example, just for this video, I'm gonna choose sell online, and I'm gonna choose promote myself or business, and continue. So now, as always, you'll need to pick a design, you need to choose a template that you think is the best for you and for your business. You can have such topics as store, blog, portfolio, business, art and design, about, real estate, health and wellness, link in bio, and so on. So just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one. Doesn't really matter. And before you're picking this one, you can change colors here. For example, you can have black, pink, blue, green, whatever, and save these colors. And you can change fonts actually. For example, let's choose this font and save it. And now click this button, unlock this theme. And as you can see, to unlock this theme, you'll need to upgrade your account. So let's choose another one. You can see upgrade. This theme is included in the personal plan. Personal is the cheapest plan, by the way. So my mistake, I didn't see this. Let's pick this one, doesn't really matter, as I already said. Continue. And now I can move straight to editing. Just click this button, edit site. And now everything is ready. We can move straight to the editing. So basically editing, as always, for example, you want to edit this text, you want to delete this text or whatever, just select this text like this and you can delete it and you can write whatever you want here. For example, welcome to my channel, like this. And of course you can change something about this text, change fonts and move it. So also you can, of course, you can change color of the text here. You can see text color. Let's choose blue one, for example. And now this text is blue. And also you can change background color. For example, let's choose red background. And now you can see, you can move it like this, or you can change this background, by the way, this picture. Just click on this picture and you can see this point. You can, for example, manage it somehow, or you can delete it like this. Delete. You can undo if you want, and you can replace this image, put your image instead. You can upload your image from your computer by clicking this button, and instead of this cookie you'll have your image easily. So also you can for example put any element. You can also click this button and you'll be able to use blocks as like a content. You can have text, you can have buttons, you can have tables, you can have whatever, some media stuff, image, file, video, audio, whatever, or this design things, buttons, columns, group, grow, stack, grid, spacer, whatever you want. So bunch of functions, as you can see. Also you can put some sections in this website, in wordpress.com. Sections are calling patterns. So for example, you can have about section or blog post or contact section. Just choose this. For example, let's choose contact section and drag and drop it. For example, you would like to use this contact section, you can just click on this and it will spawn here, or you can drag it and drop it anywhere you want. So for example this here. So what else? Of course you can edit it how you want. You can drag it, you can change this text, delete this text, type whatever you want, change this button. You can transform it to, for example, stack or grid. You can group, ungroup, lock, rename, create pattern, whatever you want. Copy, for some reason. So, and when you're done editing your website, you'll need to save this, save changes, saved, and also here you can manage some stuff about your website. You can see site setup. First step is done. Next step is to give your site a name. Next, update your site design, install the mobile app, enable post sharing, launch your site. Also, you can, for example, add a page from here, or manage comments, or write a blog post, uh, manage all domains, explore plugins. Also, you can manage some stuff here. For example, have a settings. You can change site title here, site tagline. Tagline, as you can see, general settings, site title is a site title, so wordpress.com is a site tagline, and you can easily change it. You can change site icon. As you can see, this blue W is site icon, so you can put it here.